called them extremely different results over the long term. So what's a small habit, Vinny, that you had to change that started leading to really, really good habits? Same exact thing, just at great scale.
That's a good question. Very good question. I was just thinking about like how we fold the laundry, how we brush our teeth. Is what does it really take to brush your teeth? Nothing much. But if we have consistency and using the same strokes and all, and I mean, Sonicare, all these different kinds are there, right? Of the toothbrush, which really give you. And I'm going to a dentist today, actually. So I was extra careful. The thing is, as you make habits, you don't have to then worry about things. So the big thing I find is smaller things in life lead to bigger things. And if we do systematically, a lot of people are, we should be OCD to some extent. Many times we can really be too aggressive, and then we can decapacitate ourselves. We cannot accomplish too much. Little bit error is okay, but the big thing is we need to be really, a core value system should be that I want to try to do small things and big things efficiently, productively, and make sure that my subconscious and the conscious mind are in the same parallel race, so that we can accomplish a lot more.
And so I think a great example I've heard you talk about in the past was like we just talked about folding laundry. How this scales out into large deals is your PPM. So you literally said this at the very beginning of the call. This is a 506C. It's not a 506B. A lot
Yeah,
of operators use 506Bs, and so they're not allowed to talk about what is in their deal, what their returns are when they're on a call
yeah,
like this. You choose a 506C because you're so out there all the time that
yeah,
you didn't want to have the extra habit of I have to be careful. I can't say this. I can't say that. You're
yeah.
now, I can see it in your reaction. You're like, oh, by the way, this is 506C, so I can actually talk about this now. There's this habit you had to build that was very, very cautious. And now that you're able to freely talk about deals, it's like instantly speeding up. It's like somebody else is folding the laundry for you. And you no longer have to waste time like slowing down and not talking about things.
That's a very good thing. In my mastermind in the circle last night, I talked about it. People ask me, they say, Vinny, how did you build this, 220 million you raised? I said, it was the main thing, but I wanted to do was go after accredited investors. There are 26 million accredited investors in USA, and I have only 582. So I was telling them the number is so minuscule as compared to it's such a big pie. If you have a great deal underwritten well with very good assumptions, accredited investors and other investors will flock and come in because you have a great deal. But you've got to spin the plates of raising money, talking to investors, and looking at the deals at the same time. Then I gave them the whole shebang about once the deal is accepted, you have 60 days to close it. Oh my gosh, 60 to 90 days. So lots of students, investors really appreciated that.